How to see what someone's like on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to see what someone's likes on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account and now you need to head towards the profile of the person you want to check. And now tap on the username at top of the screen. Now you need to head towards their profile. Now you need to simply select following and you will need to check the following list of these users. While browsing their following list, you can find any post. If they have liked it, you will see their name under the likes. If you can't find it, they might have turned off their activity status. To check this, you simply need to head towards your profile at bottom right corner of your home screen. Head towards three-line icon at top right corner. And now on the settings and activity page, you need to choose. Using search bar, you can easily type in activity status and open show activity status. Make sure to toggle the button off and after that your followers also won't be see your activity. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.